Today more than ever, modern businesses need up-to-date solutions ready to tackle all the challenges of a rapidly evolving landscape. That's why we've upgraded our flagship product, MDO, to be more robust, more intuitive and customizable, and more equipped to take on challenges faced by organizations today. Introducing MDO Fuse, the next evolution of Prospecta's Master Data Online Enterprise Data Platform. We've revamped our MDO platform on microservices with best-in-class technology and powerful AI and machine learning capabilities to make your data onboarding process easier to manage and support than ever before. Whether you're working with materials, customers, assets, or other data domains, Fuse makes data cleansing a simple process that can be done in-house with its highly intuitive user interface, eliminating the need to outsource. We've updated our classic platform to provide stronger analytics with all new customizable dashboards and a vast range of reports available. Users can instantly go from overall progress overviews to drill-down detailed reporting. As a part of Fuse, we've also introduced DIW, MDO's Data Intelligence Workbench. It's an extension of MDO that enables seamless data analysis and data quality. DIW redefines data stewardship with predefined rules for easy configuration, allowing you to understand, improve, and collaborate on data quality. Fuse also introduces an all-new way to manage data requests with automation of your request process and governance flows. Enter new requests quickly with auto-suggest search and rule-driven flows. To help make data decisions, Fuse also provides a new way of collaboration. Eliminating the need for emails, you can now get things done faster by directly messaging colleagues or inviting groups of people to contribute and share documents. From asking a question about a new material to allowing suppliers to directly input data, the Fuse platform makes data collaboration easy. In addition to the new analytics dashboard and data intelligence workbench, Fuse is now easier to manage and support with improved user experience and self-onboarding abilities. Fuse now provides a more intuitive workflow with time-saving features and complete customization to adapt and scale to your business needs.